जगन्नाथ क्षेत्र की भी कहा जाता है। जगन्नाथ जी के अनेकों महिमा है।
Jagannatha has so many glories. Unlimited glories Jagannatha has.
कृष्ण तो एक ही नहीं, कृष्ण तो अनंत नहीं, एक ही है। एक
Krishna is only one, not many.
एको हम बहुत सा
But he
भगवान एक
manifests many
होते हुए
forms.
अनंत रूप धारण करते
Lord
हैं।
manifests
अनंत
many
लीला आदि
forms.
जगत में
He performs many
लीला से
pastimes in this world
विनोदन करते रहते हैं।
to give pleasure to the devotees.
करोमि विविध लीला, भगवान कहते हैं अनेक लीला में करता हूँ।
Bhagavan says, I perform many leelas. Why?
भक्तों की
For the pleasure
विनोदन
of my
आनंद
devotees,
देने
to give happiness to my devotees. That's why I
सिद्धांत
perform so many pastimes.
तत्व के अनुसार
According to the Siddhanta,
भगवान एक ही है।
Bhagavan is only one.
सिद्धांत तत्व भेदसु तत्व सिद्धांत में
According to
श्री
the Tattva
सब कृष्ण
Siddhanta,
नारायण और अथवा कृष्ण में कोई भेद नहीं,
there's no difference between Narayana and Krishna.
किंतु रसनोत्कृष्टते, रस विचार में
But according to Rasa Vichar,
वैशिष्ट आदि दिखाए।
we see a speciality.
नहीं प्रयोग करके कहते हैं वैशिष्ट।
Not difference, we don't say that they're different, we say speciality of each one.
जैसे से भक्त होते भगवान उस भक्त के निकट वो स्वरूप को प्रकाश करते।
And according to the kind of the devotee, God will manifest His Swarupa according to that devotee. Devotees of Dasa Sakya Vatsalya Madhurya, with 5 main rasas and 7 secondary rasas.
भक्त की जिस प्रकार स्थायी भाव होता है, स्थायी रस होता है,
Depending on the state bhav of the devotee,
उसी भक्त के निकट
Bhagavan will manifest a form according.
करा करके
Will manifest a form accordingly in front of the devotee and give a mercy to him specifically in that form. So in Jagannath Puri, Krishna himself,
यानी द्वारकाधीश और वहीं पर कैसे जगन्नाथ के रूप
Dwarakadish Krishna is there in Puri,
आदि का
giving mercy.
वास्तव रूप में जगन्नाथ क्षेत्र के द्वारका की
Actually, Jagannatha is one part of Dwaraka. It's one part of Dwaraka.
जगन्नाथपुरी part of
Jagannath Puri is a part of Dwaraka.
वही द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण जगन्नाथ जी के रूप में
Dwarakadish Krishna manifests as Jagannath.
इसकी कथा प्रसंग भी विभिन्न ग्रंथों में, विभिन्न
In this context,
शास्त्रों में,
in different books, in different shastras, so this katha is described in many different shastras and by different acharyas also. So we see Jagannatha, he doesn't have legs nor arms, only has these dilated eyes.
इसके भी सुंदर सुंदर मजेदार कथा भी वैष्णव लोग भी बताते रहते हैं।
So the Vaishnavas also explain
मधुर मधुर कथाओं भी
very sweet katha. They say
एक बार
that once in Dwarika Puri,
रुक्मिणी आदि
Rukmini and the other queens,
भी महिषियां थी,
all the Mahishis, Satyabhama, Lakshmanjita,
महिषियां।
all the Mahishis, the queens of Dwaraka.
एक बार बलदेव प्रभु के माता रोहिणी जी के निकट
So they came to the mother of Baladev Prabhu, Rohini Mata, and they asked her one thing.
हम लोग 16,000
They said, we are 16,108 queens of Dwaraka here.
हम लोग तन मन धन सब कुछ दे करके
We have given our minds, everything we have to Krishna.
हम सेवा करते हैं।
We just want to serve Krishna completely.
सेवा ही परम धर्म
The best thing
से
is to serve the husband. So
समस्त प्रकार
we want to serve Krishna and
और उनके आनंद देने में
we just want to give happiness to him every time, all the time.
तथापि
But
वो हमारी ऊपर प्रसन्न नहीं हो।
he's not happy with us. He's not happy with us.
कभी गंभीर होकर के रहते हैं,
Sometimes he's so grave, sometimes he's crying, sometimes he's calling out the names of Nanda and Jashoda.
सुबल सुदाम आदि नाम लेकर के
Also the names of Subal Sridham, sometimes he's calling.
गायों के नाम
The names of the cows also.
धबली श्यामली
Dhaboli, Shyamali,
नाम लेकर के
taking their names,
पुकार दे रहा था।
calling them.
यहाँ तो राधे ललिते आदि
Even also Radhe, Lalite, also taking their names.
ब्रजवासी के जितने उनके स्मरण होता है,
He's always remembering the
हम
Brajavasis,
लोग
always.
उनके उतना स्मरण नहीं करते.
He does not remember us in the same way as he remembered the Brajavasis.
हम लोग तो दिन रात सेवा में लगे रहते हैं.
We are day and night serving him, cooking for him and everything for him.
सर्वदा लगे रहते.
We are always absorbed serving him.
तथापि
But still,
वह ब्रज वासियों के नाम लेकर
he's always crying, taking the names of the Vrajavasis. Why?
तक भी रात में सपनों में
Even when he's asleep, he's crying,
वो समस्त ब्रजवासियों के नाम लेकर के.
taking the names of the Vrajavasis.
यहाँ तक कि सत्यभामा भी कहने लगे.
So even Satyabhama said, look, Mother Rohini,
नहीं देवी है. ये कभी-कभी दिवाभाग में
sometimes even, what to speak of when he's sleeping, even during the day,
यहाँ तक कि दिन में कभी-कभी
even during the day, sometimes Krishna
अनिष्ट हो जाते हैं.
becomes so absorbed.
मेरे कपड़ा अंचल पकड़ करके खींच के
He is pulling my cloth and he's saying,
अतः सत्यभामा के कपड़े जो है कि राधे
pulling the cloth of Satyabhama and saying, Shrimati Radhika, don't cry.
और मैं वृंदावन
Don't cry because very quickly I'm coming back to Vrindavan. I'm coming.
तुम्ही हमारे प्राण प्रियतमा हो.
You are my beloved.
पता नहीं मैंने क्या.
I don't know what did I do.
कभी-कभी सपने में ये भी बोलते हैं देखो.
Even sometimes when he's sleeping,
मेरा एक सपना मात्र है. तुम लोग क्यों रो रही हो? मेरे प्रति रुष्ट क्यों हो रही हो? मानवती मान क्यों कर रही हो?
Krishna is saying, oh, why are you crying? Why are you angry with me?
मैं तो कहाँ चला गया?
Actually, I haven't gone anywhere.
तुम्हारे भांति सुंदरियों के देख करके मेरे मन
I went to another place
मैं विवाह कर लिया.
and I saw some girls that look like you, so beautiful like you, and then I got married to them.
के साथ हमारे प्रेम जो है निरवध था.
But actually, our love is unconditional, like Krishna telling to the gopis in like a dream. Our prem is unique and unparalleled.
तुम लोग जो हमारे प्रति
The love
ममता
and affection that you have for me,
तो न भविष्य.
no one in the past or in the future, no one has had something like this before.
द्वारकापुरी में केवल मैं
In Dwarakapuri, I'm just surviving in Dwaraka. I'm surviving here. Actually, I'm always thinking about you guys.
देखो कृष्ण
Krishna telling the gopis.
अभिष्ट होकर के
So Krishna completely absorbed,
सब
speaking these things.
समझ में नहीं आता. जो है को देखो कभी-कभी व्यक्ति के कोई व्यक्ति के एक प्रकार भी अभ्यास हो जाता है. आप सोने के साथ ही साथ
Some people have this habit. They fall asleep and they speak on when they're asleep. They speak rumbling something when they're asleep. They're speaking something while they sleep. Some people are like this. Oh, why did he do this? Why he did that? Then if you wake up the person won't remember. He's like, huh? Oh, I don't know. I didn't say anything. I don't remember. Some people they do this. They talk while sleeping. So Krishna also while sleeping, while eating also, he was remembered the Braj gopis and crying for them. Oh, Mother Rohini Devi, please be merciful to us, the queens of Dwarka, as to Rohini. Please tell us the glories of the Brajavasis. Why our beloved Krishna has so much love for them? Why? So after the wedding, after getting married, do you know what will be empty for you? Word box. Sorry, I didn't understand what Gurudev said. Some kind of box. Before getting married. Like maybe your chat box, where you have contact with many people before marrying. But after marriage, you have to delete everything.
क्या?
Otherwise, your husband will ask, why are you speaking with this person, with this person?
शादी के पहले तक
Before a wedding, the
सब
marriage,
रहता है, शादी के बाद
you
सब
have so
delete
many contacts, but after the getting married, you have
उसके
to
पति
delete.
संदेह करेंगे,
Otherwise, your
नहीं,
husband
मैं ऐसे जिंदगी
will doubt you, like will suspect you, like, oh, why you have so many
के पहले
contacts? Before getting married,
chatting जो
you are chatting, fatting, like you have some contacts, friends, like
इसलिए भी
the chat.
कहा जाता है, बड़े लड़के के शादी के बाद
So after marriage,
chatting box क्या हो गया, खाली
the
कर
chatting box of the girl is empty, has to be empty.
है कि नहीं? चलो आपके स्कूल के जो मित्र है, पढ़ने वाले या छोटे
Maybe some friend from school or someone you used to study,
साथ चैटिंग फैटिंग करते रहते,
you used to chat with him. Anyway,
नेगेटिव में कुछ
I'm not saying negative things.
में लो,
Take to the positive side.
ये नहीं कर रही उनके साथ प्रेम प्रीति है, ऐसे
I'm not saying that she's having some chatting because she has affair or someone that she likes. But still, the husband will say, why are you keeping contact with these people? The husband will not be pleased, isn't it?
कहा जाता है शादी के बाद
So after the marriage,
कि वो
after the
chatting
wedding,
box
the chatting box of the girl will be empty. Of the bride, she has to delete her contacts.
पति की भी जानकारी होना चाहिए तो इसके साथ क्या क्या करते रहा,
Because the husband wants to know what she's doing, to whom she's speaking with.
कहीं नहीं कहीं आपको पता लगा लेंगे,
Otherwise, maybe your husband, you get to know that you're speaking with some person, then your husband will be angry. Why are you having contact with this person?
संदेह करेंगे,
The husband will suspect you, isn't it?
चलो हम
Why?
इसलिए कर रहे हैं,
So, anyway.
ये समस्त 16,108
So, the 16,108 queens of Krishna.
इसलिए रोहिणी देवी उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए,
So, they asked Rohini Devi, please tell us something about these
उनके
Brajavasis.
बारे में हमें कुछ श्रवण कराइए,
Please tell something about them. About whom?
ब्रजवासियों के बारे में,
About the Brajavasis.
कृष्ण सदा सर्वदा रोते
Krishna is always crying for them.
सपन में, शयन में,
In the
खाने में,
dream, when they're
उनकी स्मरण करता रहता है।
walking, sleeping, all the time.
उनके प्रेम क्या है ये हमें सुनाइए।
What is the love they have for
तब रोहिणी
Krishna?
देवी कहते देखो ये ब्रज की कहानी
Rohini
जो है,
Devi said,
ब्रज प्रेम जो है अतीव जो है,
the Vraja Prema is something very confidential.
ब्रज की कथा
The Vraj Katha, if you hear Vraj Katha,
और रुचि भी हो जाए,
not everyone has ruchi for Vraj Katha.
अधिकार भी
And if you have ruchi, maybe very few people they have adhikar for this, eligibility for this.
दिक में संसार में ऐश्वर्य मार्ग की
Generally, in this world,
दिखा जाए,
we see more devotees in the opulent mood.
आपके अनेक भक्त मिलेगा,
You find many devotees of Vaikuntha, Yoda, Dwaraka,
नारायण
Mathura.
की मूर्ति रख करके पूजा करते
They do puja of the deity of Narayana,
हैं, विशेष करके लक्ष्मी नारायण,
especially Lakshmi Narayana. They worship Lakshmi Ganesh, Lakshmi who gives wealth, you know.
बहुत कम लोग किसकी पूजा करते हैं,
Many, very few people, they worship Krishna.
बात भी सही है,
This is true, yes.
कितने कृष्ण भक्त कितने,
How many devotees of Krishna? Very few.
हैं, वो भी कृष्ण भक्त में जो निष्काम जो भक्त है,
And a Nishkam devotee, a devotee without any desire, is so rare.
कृष्ण भक्त निष्काम और
Ataiva Shanta, the devotees of Krishna, they don't have any desires.
स्वामी
That's why they are so peaceful.
शांत,
But the other devotees
कृष्ण
that,
भक्त जो
sorry, not
निष्काम है,
devotees, those who want liberation and material sense
भगवान के
gratification,
निकट कृष्ण के निकट कुछ
they
चाहते
have
नहीं,
so many desires, so
यदि
they are
चाहते हैं,
never
क्या चाहते हैं?
peaceful. The devotees of Krishna, they never want anything. If they want something, they'll want service only. They only ask for
सच्चे
service.
समीप को सारूप, भगवान कहते हैं ये चार प्रकार के मुक्ति देने
Bhagavan
वाली
says,
थी,
even though I can give Saloka, Shasti, Samipya, Sarupya, I can give all these liberations, but devotees who are one pointed to me,
न गृह्णन्ति
they don't want.
वत्सवनं जना।
they don't want this.
मैं चार प्रकार के मुक्ति देने मैं चाहता हूँ लोग,
I want to give to them these 4 kinds of
मेरा
liberation,
एकांतिक भक्त
but my one pointed devotee, he doesn't want it.
साजुज्य मुक्ति तो बहुत कोई लेना ही नहीं चाहता,
And what to speak of Sayuja Mukti? Nobody wants Sayuja Mukti,
इसलिए
like
कहते
one is
हैं
with Brahma.
कृष्ण भक्त
My devotees don't
अतीव
want. So the devotees of Krishna are very
दुर्लभ,
rare, very few only.
सैकड़ों भक्त में
So
एक
amongst
बिरले जो है कृष्ण भक्त
1 billion devotees, maybe you find one devotee of Krishna.
रमणे को
There is one verse.
सतजाति विशिष्ट, और कृष्ण भक्त अतीब
The devotees of Krishna are very rare.
है, और कृष्ण भक्तों में भी यदि भी लिया जाए, द्वारकाधीश के भजन करने वाले को तो मिल जाता है,
But maybe you find some
मथुराधीश के भजन करने वाले को तो मिल जाता है,
devotees that
इनका
worship
भजन करने
Dwarakadish
के भजन
or
करने वाले
Mathuradish Krishna. But those who worship Vrajanananda and Krishna, very rare.
कृष्ण भक्त निष्काम अतीव शांत मुक्ति मुक्ति सिद्धि कामी सकली
Shanta.
इसलिए कृष्ण कहते हैं देखो,
So Krishna says,
मैं किसके हृदय में बैठता हूँ? भक्त के हृदय में।
I sit in the heart of the devotees.
मोर वैष्णव प्रधान।
Krishna says, I sit in the heart of the devotees. Vaishnavas are my life and soul.
और वैष्णव क्या बोले, कृष्ण शुद्ध वैष्णव के हृदय में भी विश्राम करते हैं।
Krishna takes rest in the heart of the Shuddha Vaishnavas.
लोग सब कहते हैं देही 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 माँ।
People of this world, they're all asking for many things. Give me money, give me this, give me that.
मनोरमा भरजंग देही,
Give me a beautiful wife. Barja. Barja means
पत्नी,
wife. They want wife, beautiful
धन चाहिए,
woman.
विद्या चाहिए, ये सब
I want
चाहिए।
knowledge, I want money. So they're always asking something from Krishna. Give me this, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me.
भगवान को तुम्हें देते हैं।
Bhagavan says, I'm tired to give you so many things.
क्या करते हैं?
That's why Krishna wants to take rest. Where? In the hearts of the devotees.
तो विश्राम कहाँ करे?
Where Krishna will take rest? In the heart of a pure devotee.
कृष्ण भक्त जो है,
The devotees of Krishna,
और कोई संसार की वस्तु मांगते नहीं।
they don't want anything in this world.
आप केवल आप
They only say, Prabhu, just give me the service to your lotus feet. Yeah, because everybody has to ask something. But what do they use this asking? Like, they ask, what do they ask? They ask service. They also ask, but they ask for service.
भगवान को क्या मांगते हैं?
So what do they ask from God? They ask for service.
इसलिए कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, मैं देने पर भी
Krishna
ये चार
says,
प्रकार की मुक्ति आदि
I want to give them all the liberations and all, but they don't want.
भगवान की सेवा चाहते।
They want to serve Bhagavan.
चंद्र प्रभा में एक बकान थे, राका बाका की बकान।
Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada gave one story.
काम भक्त थे।
There was one devotee
बोले देखो कैसे
that didn't have any desire. Then Lakshmi came
इसको क्यों देते क्यों नहीं?
and said to Narayana, why you're not giving to anything to him? Then Narayana said, I want to give, but he doesn't want to accept anything. Then Lakshmi said, oh, I don't believe it.
सुने जो है,
Then
सुना। स्वर्ण और
they put some gold, some ornament or
रास्ते में
something
वो दोनों चलते रहे।
on the way, like on the path where that couple was going, the couple of devotees.
और छुप करके
And they hid to see if they were going to take that money or not, that gold or not.
देखो क्या,
Lakshmi was checking to see if they would take their money, that money.
देखो आगे क्या चले, उसके पति चलने लगे, पीछे पत्नी आ रही।
So husband was going front,
पति ने उस सोना को, सोना जो है अलंकार को देखा,
woman and wife coming in the back.
ना उसको धूल से ढक दिया।
So the husband first he saw that gold and he covered with
धूल के ऊपर
dust.
धूल झाड़ रहे हो।
Then the woman said, the wife said, why are you covering dust with more dust? Come on, you tell me.
मतलब क्या है?
Means what?
तुम इसको जो प्रतिक्रिया, उसको वो भी मेरे बीच में नहीं है। उसके पति सोच रहे हैं।
The husband thought,
धन संपत्ति नहीं चाहिए, सोने दाना नहीं चाहिए।
I don't want
पत्नी ना ले ले।
this gold. I'm afraid my woman might want it.
पत्नी भी कम नहीं है।
So that's why I covered
पत्नी
it.
भी उससे भी 2 उंगली है।
But actually the wife is even higher than the husband
तो
because she also didn't want that gold. So the devotees of Krishna, they don't have any desires. Even though Krishna wants to give them, the devotees, they don't want to accept it. The devotees of Krishna, what do they want? They want only Shuddha Bhakti. Bhakti means seva. Bhakti means service.
अच्छा चलो जिस कथा प्रसंग हम
Anyway, I was telling another katha.
रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि
Rukmini and Satyabhama, the Mahishis,
इसलिए बलदेव प्रभु जी की माता रोहिणी के निकट प्रार्थना करी
they prayed to the mother of Baladeva, Rohini, and asked her, oh, please tell us about the love of the Vrajvas. Rohini Devi said, look, the katha of Braj is something very rare, okay? She told them, very rare katha.
अरे देखो और ब्रज प्रेमी भी और भी दुर्लभ है
The prema of Braja. So the katha of Braj is so rare, and the prema of Braj is even more rare than that. Even more rare. You know what is durlabh? Something very rare. you know.
लक्ष्मी देवी उसकी प्राप्ति कर नहीं पाए।
Even Lakshmi Devi could not
लोग तो
attain
हो
that.
गया लक्ष्मी देवी। ये हम
Lakshmi Devi, she was greedy.
वृंदावन में
She also wanted to
गोपियों की भांति रासलीला में
become
प्रवेश करें।
Gopi and enter the Raslila just like the gopis,
आज नित्य गीत कैसे नचना है ये करना है।
to dance in the Raslila and everything.
नित्य गीत है ना।
What is the Ras?
मैं
Dancing,
भी थोड़ा भाग
singing.
ले लेता हूँ।
So she thought, oh, I also want to join that dance. I also want to
तो
take
लक्ष्मी
part.
के लिए
But for Lakshmi Devi, it wasn't possible.
कथा आप लोग जंगल में कथा जो है।
You know this story? No, you heard.
तो सुना सुन करके
Lakshmi Devi heard. Oh, sorry. She heard
ब्रज गोपियों की
because actually Narada Rishi
प्रेम महिमा
told the glories of the Braja Gopis to her.
की कथा भी सुना।
Told her about the Rasa Leela.
लोग तो हो गया।
She heard she was eager, loba.
रसगुल्ला मिठाई है।
Like rasagula is sweet, so you're greedy to eat it. But if you're belly and good,
ठीक नहीं होने से क्या होता है?
then what
आलू तो
happens?
क्या होगा?
If you eat the rasagula but you're not okay, then it won't be good.
कुछ खाओ पहले ही
So whatever you eat,
विचार करो विचार।
first you have to analyze to see if you can digest that.
हाँ हाँ भाई।
Yes, this is true, brother.
ये करो ये बात सच
Anything you do,
है। विचार करके चलना।
have to analyze before. For example, somebody gave you rasagula. Will you eat it or not? Oh, this is from the deity. Then you eat 1, 2, 3, 4. Those who have good stomach, okay, they can eat. But those who don't have good stomach, they eat only one, then it's very bad for them. Understand?
और मेरा पेट ठीक होने पर मैं खाता ही नहीं।
But my belly, even though it's good,
कहीं अपमानना
I don't want to dishonor Mahaprasad, so I take just a little bit. But even though my belly might be good,
लेता हूँ ना थोड़ा सा।
I just take a little bit. Maybe I take the tulasi that's on top, or just a little bit, just to try, just to honor.
रसगुल्ला दिया ना।
Yesterday they gave rasagula.
अच्छा चलो हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं केवल
Anyway.
लोभ होने से जो प्राप्ति हो जाएगा ऐसी नहीं बात।
So it's not that like just because you have eagerness, like greedy, you'll attain that or you'll take that. No, this is true.
पहले तो कहा गया लोभ के द्वारा ही ब्रज भक्ति प्राप्त।
So first we hear that by loba you can attain Braja Bhakti.
कृष्ण भक्ति रसभाविता मोदी क्रियतांजलि कुतोपि लभ्यते तत्रापि लोलमुल्लु जन्म कटिश लभ्यते। लोभ के द्वारा ही उसको खरीदो।
You have to buy with the price of your greed.
अनेकों जन्म भजन साधन की प्राप्ति हो रहे।
Something that you cannot even attain by Sukriti or Bhajan Sadhana for many lives. If you sit near a Rasika saint,
भक्ति क्या करो खरीद लो।
you buy this Braja Bhakti.
किंतु लक्ष्मी देवी तो कथा सुनी लोभ तो हो गया।
Lakshmi Devi, she heard Katha, she came to Braj, Vrindavan, she performed austerities.
भगवान भी प्रकट हो गए।
Bhagavan appeared to her
अरे क्या चाहिए मतलब ब्रज गोपियों
and
की
said,
भांति
what do you want? She said,
में
oh, I want to join the Rasalila just like the Braja Gopis.
भगवान करने लगे ये
Bhagavan told Lakshmi Devi, this is not possible for you. It ain't
भी
possible.
हो
But still,
करने लगी।
she was like stubborn. She said, I want that.
तो लगा दी।
Then Bhagavan gave so many conditions. Look, you have to do this, have to be born in the house of a gopi,
ये सब गोप
you have to marry a gopa, you have to do many things.
अंडा देना पड़ेगा,
You have to make the cow dung patties,
गोदहन करना पड़ेगा।
have to milk cows, do this and that,
जातिगत धर्म जो है।
you know.
और इसके बाद परिज्ञा भाव से फिर मेरे साथ
Then also you'll meet in Parakya Bhav.
लक्ष्मी से सम्मत नहीं।
Then, like on Paramormud, then Lakshmi didn't accept these conditions.
लोभ उत्पन्न हो जाएगी हो प्राप्ति हो
So
जाएगी।
it's not also that just because you have loba, like this greed, you'll attain. Also not.
कह रही है
So Mother Rohini Devi, she said, look,
ब्रज प्रेम की कहानी बा ब्रज कथा ब्रज प्रेम इतने
Braja Prem is something so
दुर्लभ वस्तु है।
rare, so rare.
आदि ऐसे सती नारी
Even Lakshmi, another great Satinari, like a saint,
हमारे कहाँ से?
other, let's say, chaste women, they didn't get. How come you think
लक्ष्मी
we'll
अपेक्षा
get?
तो महिषी का श्रेष्ठ का
But you say, oh, maybe, but Queens of Dwaraka are higher than Lakshmi, isn't it?
है।
Queens,
लक्ष्मी कहाँ रहती है? वैकुंठ में।
because Lakshmi lives in Vaikuntha.
और ये
But Rukmini and Satyabhama, they live in Dwarkapuri, so they are like higher.
जब उनकी प्राप्ति लक्ष्मी देवी के प्राप्ति है तो मैं काम
But even if Lakshmi Devi didn't attain, then how come
ये बहुमत लीला की होती जा रही
Queens of Dwarka will attain? They are doing pastimes like a human being, so that's like, oh, even if Lakshmi didn't attain,
नरवत नहीं होता है।
but the pastime of Narayan is not Narabat, not like a human being pastime.
नरवत लीला नहीं होती।
No.
किंतु देखो महिषी आदि
But the Queens of Dwaraka,
मथुरा द्वारका में लीला कुछ
Their leelas in Dwaraka and Mathura,
नरवत लीला है,
they have some pastimes. It's like a human being pastimes.
ऐश्वर्य मिश्रित
Even though it's mixed with opulence.
ऐश्वर्य प्रधान माधुर्य है। बात तो सही है।
Opulence is more prominent, but still there is some sweetness, like a pastime, like a human being. So that's why they're saying like this, just like in the pastime, like a human being. Like if even Lakshmi Devi, like
ध्यान कर लेना पड़ेगा।
couldn't attain it, how come you will attain?
कैसे कहेंगे? लक्ष्मी अपेक्षा तो वो लोग श्रेष्ठ है।
You know, because what? Queens of Dwarka, they're higher than Lakshmi. You know?
तो जहाँ पर नरवत
But they're performing pastimes as like a human being. That's why they said they're thinking Lakshmi is superior to them. So that's why they said, oh, even if Lakshmi couldn't attain it, you will not be able to attain. Rohini Devi told the Queens of Dwarka.
ब्रजवासियों की प्रेम महिमा सुनने के लिए
But you are eager to hear about these pastimes. So I'll tell to you.
ये गोपन लीला है,
But it's something very
अत्यंत गुज्जाति गुज्जतम लीला।
confidential pastimes.
भगवान स्वयं क्या कहते हैं? नाहं
Bhagavan said,
न च जुगने हृदय च
I don't stay in Vaikuntha, nor in the heart of the yogis.
स्वामी राज
I stay where my devotees glorify me.
नारद। भगवान कहते हैं नारद
Bhagavan said, hey Narad,
मैं सदा वैकुंठ में नहीं रहता,
I'm not always in Vaikuntha,
जुगों के हृदय में भी नहीं रहता,
not also in the heart of the yogis,
जहाँ पर मेरा कथा होती है,
where my katha happens.
ब्रज का है।
Which katha? Braj katha.
बहुत प्रसन्न हो जाए।
Then Bhagavan becomes so pleased.
तो ब्रज की महत्व यहाँ पर विशेष दिखा है।
So we see the speciality of the glories of
ब्रज की कथा जहाँ
Braj.
पर होती है,
Where Braj katha happens, takes place,
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagavan himself, Krishna, he also appears there. He appears also.
इसलिए महारोहिणी बोले देखो
So Mother Rohini said, look,
सुदर्शन सभा में हम सब बैठ जाते हैं,
we are now here in this Sudharma Sabha.
पास कोई एक व्यक्ति बैठ
So
जाए,
better somebody sit near the door, okay? Then when Krishna Balaram come, then this person will be able to stop them.
कथा प्रसंग वाला
And when they arrive here, we'll just change the subject. Because it's not proper for us to speak about them in front of them. So if they arrive, we just change the subject,
सारे
subject,
महिषियाँ
okay?
वहाँ सभा में बैठ गई
So the Mahishis, they also sat in that assembly.
और दरवाजा पर कौन बैठी भाई?
So who would sit near the door, guarding the door?
हैं, सब चाहते हैं मैं सामने बैठ करके हरि कथा सुनूं।
All of them wanted to sit
दूर बैठते हो कथा थोड़ी सुनता है।
near Rohini Devi. Because those who sit in the back, generally they cannot hear everything and they miss half of the katha. This is true or not? So the Queens of Dwarka, they wanted to sit in front. They didn't want to sit near the door,
उसके सुनना ही नहीं,
to guard the door. So those who actually want to hear Harikatha, they will sit in front.
पीछे बैठ कर सुन।
Those who don't want to hear, they sit in the back. And they'll say, oh, I'm just sitting in the back. I actually want to hear it. But no, it's not true. If you're sitting in the back, it means you don't want to hear.
तो और भी है एक मजा।
Because you cannot, like, physically, you cannot properly hear what is being
कान में
said.
सुनाई नहीं पड़ता। तो दूर बैठे तो कहाँ सुनाई पड़ेगा आप बताओ?
So it's so
पकड़ा
difficult.
करके चले जाते। इसलिए परीक्षित महाराज
It's difficult to hear, to pay attention. So if you sit in the back, it's even more difficult.
सानिध्य में
That's why Parikit Maharaj was sitting very close to Shukadeva Goswami when he was hearing Harikatha.
श्रवण की उत्कंठा तो तब दिखाई।
So then you show that you really are eager to listen to the
तो
Harikatha.
सारे महिषियों की देखो
So anyway, the Mahishis, they were
होकर के
so eager and they were hearing very
दरवाजा पर किसको
so much
बैठा दी?
eagerness. And they put who to take care of the door?
कृष्ण के बहन
The sister of Krishna, Subhadra.
और सुभद्रा भी बोले, हम भी ब्रज कथा सुन ले।
But Subhadra also wanted to hear Braj Katha. She also wanted to hear.
इसलिए उन्होंने की दो हाथ के
That's
द्वारा
why she was
प्यार को, ऐसे पकड़
like
और
stretching her hands
आ जाए उसको रोक देंगे,
to stop Krishna Balaram if they would
ऐसे
come.
करे तो पास होकर चले जाए, बाईपास चले जाए। इसलिए सुभद्रा ने किया कि देखो दो
So
हाथ
Subhadra,
दो हाथ
she
द्वारा
stretched
करके,
out her 2 arms
खड़ा करके उत्कंठा में श्रवण।
and she was also hearing with so much eagerness.
और इधर माँ रहिनी देवी
And Mother Rohini Devi,
ब्रज की एक कथा वर्णन
she was telling one katha of Braj, like each one. About Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya, all the
कृष्ण
kathas.
के मधुर मधुर लीला चरित कथा,
Sweet pastimes of Krishna she was describing.
शक्कर रस की कथा से लेकर के
Sakara's katha, Vatsalya
सभी
katha,
कथाओं को वर्णन,
all the kathas she was describing. Then in the end,
गोपियों की प्रेम महत्व ही वर्णन कर,
she also described about the glories of the gopis' love.
सभी लोग अविष्ट होकर के
Everyone was so absorbed hearing the Harikatha. So absorbed.
साइलेंट।
So silent.
गुरुदेव कहते थे एक यदि
Gurudeva said that if you throw
यदि उसमें डाल दिया जाए,
anything there,
उसमें डाल दिया कंकड़ के डाल दिया जाए,
even a stone,
तो तथापि किसी को पता नहीं चला।
Nobody would even realize. Like they were so absorbed, nobody would.
एक मन होकर के आविष्ट
They was completely absorbed. No one was.
आगे
They were completely absorbed in the Harikatha. They were not giving attention to who's in the back, who's in the front.
रोहिणी देवी भी आविष्ट होकर कथा बोलना शुरू कर
Mother Rohini Devi was also
आश्चर्य से
speaking Harikatha so absorbedly.
श्रोता वक्ता श्रोता की ब्रज की कथा विशेष करके गोपियों की
So especially this katha about the
प्रेम विहार
gopis.
की कथा जो है माँ रोहिणी देवी जब सब
When Mother Rohini Devi was describing
और बलराम अब आकर के
Harikatha, when did Krishna Balaram came
पता भी नहीं।
and sat near Subhadra? No one even realized when they arrived.
देखो और दूसरी की तो बात बहुत दूर की बात है।
What to speak of others?
कृष्ण बलराम सुभद्रा जी के जो है अपने बहन के दाएं और बाएं
Krishna Balaram.
उसको भी पता भी नहीं।
Even Subhadra didn't realize when they came. She didn't even see when they came. What to speak of others?
इसमें सब कथा में सब आविष्ट।
They were all so absorbed in the Harikatha, so absorbed.
अच्छा बात सही है।
Is this true or not?
कथा बोलते हैं
When we speak
कथा
Harikatha,
सुनते हैं तो दाएं देखते
we hear Harikatha, but we are looking front, back, side. We are looking up, looking down. Like we are not completely focused while we are hearing Harikatha. But look,
माँ रोहिणी देवी
while Rohini Devi she was speaking, she was completely absorbed.
बलराम
She even also didn't realize when Krishna Balaram came.
सुभद्रा जी के बहन सुभद्रा की जो है
When they came and they sat near the sister Subhadra, they just continued the Harikatha,
विश्व करके गोपियों की जो सुंदर
especially beautiful sweet pastimes about the gopis,
वो कथा गोपियों की विरह की कथा जहाँ पर हुई,
about the separation of the gopis and
विरह कथा है
Viraha Katha.
और विरह कथा बोलना शुरू कर जयति ते योधिकां जन्मना ब्रज श्रयत इंदिरा शस अत्रहि दयित दीक्षता दीक्षुतावका त्रिधिदासवो त्वां विचिन्नते। देखो सारी गोपी गीत बोल
Like all the Gopi Gita.
सुंदर कथा चल रही है।
So beautiful Harikatha was going on. So beautiful she was speaking. Everyone so absorbed.
कृष्ण बलराम
Then Krishna Balaram,
गोपियों की ऐसी विरह कथा सुन रहे
they were hearing this pastimes, the separation of the gopis. Then the body of Krishna Balaram melted.
हैं। और साथ ही साथ बहन
And also
सुभद्रा के शरीर भी
Subhadra's body also melted.
जिस प्रकार
Just
सूर्य
like
के किरण से
by the rays of the sun,
बर्फ जैसे
the ice
पिघल जाता है।
also melts.
बर्फ पिघलना देखा है
Have you seen the ice melting?
सब रशिया आदि देश में जाता है।
In Russia, in these kind of countries, you can see this.
वो भी ऊंचा ऐसे हो जाता है और उनके दोनों तरफ पिघल जाता है और बिल्कुल सुई के भांति हो जाता है।
Like the ice becomes like a needle because the two sides of the ice are like melting.
कृष्ण बलराम
Anyway,
और
so
सुभद्रा
Krishna
देवी
Balaram and Subhadra Devi,
द्रवीभूत हो गए।
their bodies completely melted.
देखो भगवान भक्त की विरह प्रेम महत्व स्मरण करके भी उनकी चित्त द्रवीभूत हो गया।
So Bhagavan, he hears about the glory of the prem of his devotees and his body melts. So the Harikatha was going on
केवल आंख दोनों आंख बस डायलेटेड
and two dilated eyes
हाथ
only.
भी नहीं है पैर भी नहीं है सब
No legs, no arms, completely melted. Just
बात की समझ
just like,
आग लगाओ देखो
you know, like a candle?
जैसे पिघल पिघल कर
The candle like melts and completely like this. I don't know,
उसी
proper word.
प्रकार कृष्ण
Like a
बलराम और
molten candle. So Krishna Balaram and Subhadra Devi also. Their bodies completely melted.
हाथ नहीं है पैर नहीं सब
No hands, no legs.
द्रवीभूत है।
Everything was melted.
नहीं पढ़ रहे कि नहीं
Have you heard this?
केवल दोनों आंख कान
Only two big eyes. Not even ears. They didn't have ears.
दोनों आंख और नाक और मुंह बस
Only two eyes and the mouth. That's it.
इतने समय नारद ऋषि प्रकट हुए।
Then Narada Rishi appeared
नारद ऋषि आकर के बहुत स्तोत्र स्तुति आदि
and he performed so many stavastutis, prayers.
भगवान फिर भगवान
Then Bhagavan appeared.
बोले नारद तुम्हारे स्तव स्तुति से
Like
प्रसन्न हो जाओ।
Bhagavan,
वर मांगो।
his form
नारद से हाथ
turned back, the
जोड़ो,
original
यदि आप
form.
वर देना चाहते हैं।
Okay, ask for a benediction. Then Narada said, Prabhu, if you want to give me a
निकले हुए जिस शरीर
benediction,
को मैंने देखा,
I saw this molten
में
form of you.
कथा कहानी सुन करके
You melted because you heard
जो
about
शरीर जो पिघल गया,
Krishna, about your pastimes in Vrindavan. I saw this form.
मूर्ति को जगत में प्रकट कर।
Please manifest this form in the material world.
तब इस कथा के सुन करके स्वयं भगवान कहने नारद
So
वर में देता।
Krishna told Narada, okay, I give you this
नारद
benediction.
उनके नारद
Because no, Narada Rishi name, his name is Narad.
रोकथाम नहीं,
Means he's
नाम
never
नहीं।
stopped. There's no obstacle for him. Na, like not, Rad, like
नारद
stop.
जब भी भगवान के निकट
Whenever Narada wants to come near Bhagavan,
नारद
immediately
वर मांगो।
Bhagavan says, okay, Narada, ask for a
आप अपनी
benediction.
इच्छा के अनुसार वर मांग लो।
Then Narada asks for benedictions according to his desire, you know.
इसलिए नारद ऋषि कहने लगे प्रभु
So Narada Rishi said, Prabhu,
जो ऐसे जो दिव्य अलौकिक पिघले हुए शरीर
this
को मैं दर्शन-
divine melted form that I saw,
मूर्ति को अपनी वो पिघली हुई मूर्ति को
please manifest in the material world this form.
जगत में
Establish this form in the material world.
तब उस समय भगवान कहने
Then
लगे,
Bhagavan said,
नारद,
hey Narad,
एमोमस्तु, ऐसी
okay, I give you this benediction.
इसलिए ये जगन्नाथ जी की मूर्ति आप जो देख रहे हैं
So this Jagannatha form that you see,
पिघली हुई मूर्ति को,
melted form,
ये इसी कारण से
is because of this reason.
और कुछ नहीं। देखो कितने सुंदर
So beautiful deity.
और ये भी नहीं मंदिर स्थापन हो जगत में आप दर्शन देते रहिए।
So also he established the temple, you know, Jagannath temple, and giving darshan
आप
continuously.
ऐसे दिव्य अलौकिक पिघली हुई मूर्ति को आप समस्त जीवों में
So
आप दर्शन
Narada asked, I want you give this darshan to all the jivas of the world.
आप रात में आरूढ़ होकर के बैठ कर
So sit on the chariot.
जितने भी पतित जीव है
Then all the fallen jivas will be able to give darshan to all of them.
इसलिए जगन्नाथ देव
So Jagannath Dev,
रात में बैठ करके
he sits on the chariot. Why does he sit on the
अनेक
chariot?
कारण है गौना कारण
There are many reasons,
रहते हैं।
main reasons, secondary reasons, etc.
गौना कारण क्या कहते हैं
What is the secondary reason?
ठाकुर जी के इतने जोर जोर से स्नान करे
Because the deity
ठंडी जल से स्नान
took so much, he bathed so much
हैं। ऐसा है, सुबह से लेकर के
from morning until
रात तक शाम तक
sunset. The deity was taking bath.
जगन्नाथ जी के इतने स्नान
Jagannath, they bathed Jagannath so much. It was the Snana Yatra, you know.
और ठाकुर जी के क्या हो गया फिर
So what happened to the deity?
बुखार हो गया
Deity got fever, like a flu, like a cold,
और बुखार हो गया तो इतने तेज बुखार हुई
and like so high fever, you know.
डॉक्टर की सारी दवाई फेल हो गई
Then all the
खाना बंद कर दो केवल उनके क्या
all the medicaments, all the
गरम गरम है ना काढ़ा
things the doctor gave didn't work. All the medicines. Then they started giving some kara, like a ginger tea with herbs for Jagannath,
समय जो है करीब कितने दिन
like boiled herbs and.
15 दिन ठाकुर जी के दरवाजा बंद रहा था उसी
So for 15 days the deity is closed. This is called Anabasar Kal. The deity is not giving darshan for 15
कई
days.
दिन कुएं पर अंदर में रह करके 12-14 दिन जो है अंदर में रहते हैं
So the deity is like
ब्राह्मण जो है उसकी सेवा आदि करते हैं
more than 12 days inside the temple,
अभी आगे
and those devotees of aboriginal lineage, they serve Jagannath in this time.
और 9 दिन के बाद
And after 9 days,
ठीक हो गया
after 9 days, then Jagannath is already good. His health
तथापि
comes
शरीर में कमजोरी है
like he's okay, but still he's feeling
ठाकुर जी
weakness.
कहने लगे देखो
And then Jagannath says, look,
थोड़ा
after 12 days, Jagannath says, oh, I want to change some climate.
वृंदावन गर्म हो गया तो फिर इधर
Like here was hot, we went to Vrindavana, then Vrindavana became hot, we came back here.
अच्छा बात सही है
Where will you go to? This is true or not?
इसलिए ठाकुर जी ने क्या की ये
So
लीला
Jagannatha manifested his Leela to Lakshmi Devi.
ये मैं अपने स्वास्थ्य जो है ठीक करने के लिए
Thakurji said,
मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ
I'm going somewhere
8 दिन के बाद मैं लौट
to like change airs, you know, but after some time I come back.
लक्ष्मी देवी भी विचार करने के
after
बाद
7-9 days. Lakshmi Devi agreed. She said, yeah, this is true. Here you had fever and
थोड़ा बाहर घूम करके
so, okay, go for a walk, change air. This is good. Some fresh air.
तो ये समस्त कथा भी सुंदर जगन्नाथ जी की कथा में सब करना चाहिए। मैं इसलिए कहा जगन्नाथ जी के प्रकट
So study.
मूल कारण
Main reason why Jagannath appeared.
नारद ऋषि स्वयं भगवान के निकट वो वर मांग लिया।
Narada Rishi asked a benediction from Lord. Narada Rishi asked, I saw this melted form you have because you're so upset feeling separation from the Vrajavasis. So this Mahabhava Murti, please manifest in this material world. Narada asked to Lord. So the form of Jagannath is Mahabhav Prakash Murti. It's not an ordinary form, the form of Jagannath. Shrimati Radhika feels Mahabhav, but Krishna also, he's also suffering like Shrimati Radhika also. That's why this deity of Krishna, Jagannatha, is also called Mahabhav Prakash Murti, like manifestation of the Mahabhav. Because Krishna hears about the love of the Braja Gopis and Krishna becomes completely absorbed in Bhav. So Krishna's heart, Krishna's body melts completely. So Bhagavan, he's so eager to hear about his devotees and what they feel. We don't have taste in the Harikatha, but you see Bhagavan himself, Bhagavan is eager to hear his own katha, or the katha also about his beloveds, the gopis. So Rohini Devi was speaking, Krishna Balaram came and also started listening. Who does not want to hear Krishna Katha? Only a butcher, someone who kills animals. A person who kills animals, then yes, he doesn't want to hear Bhagavad Katha. Rest, all everyone wants to hear. So a person who is going the Nivritta Marga, means the path of Brahma Gyan, if he hears Harikatha, he will also stop meditating in Brahma. What to speak of others? Bhagavad Katha is so powerful. Anyway, Narada Rishi prayed, please, I want your deity, this melted form, to be in this world. How Bhagavan, his form melts when he hears about the love of the gopis. This Jagannath in Jagannath Puri, to deliver the fallen jivas, to give darshan to them, he comes out of the temple and sits on the chariot and goes to the temple of Gundich. Sometimes the chariot completely stops on the way and nobody can move the chariot. Is this a story? No, it's true actually. It's true. Maybe some person who is Antaja is somebody who is not a Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra. Antaja is like someone out of the Vedic system of the Varnas. The person is not a Brahmana, not a Kshatriya, nor Vaishya, nor Shudra. So in Jagannath Puri, they don't allow this kind of person to enter the temple of Jagannath. So Swayam Bhagavan is manifesting this pastime, becoming with fever.
जगन्नाथपुरी से यानी नीलाचल से कहाँ चल दिया, सुंदराचल।
Then the deity goes from Nilachal to Sundarachal. This is the Ratha Yatra.
देखो आज जो हम जो रथ यात्रा जो शामिल हो रहे हैं, काल भी हम लोग
So yesterday, 11th July,
वर्ल्ड संकीर्तन,
it was the World Sankirtan Day.
हम लोग वृंदावन परिक्रमा,
We performed the Vrindavan Parikrama. It was very nice.
आप सभी के सुंदर था।
Everybody had a beautiful mood. In the banks of the Jamuna also God gave mercy. And it was no hot. We were so afraid because 5 p.m. we had said to meet, but 2-3 days ago the heat was so much. The summer was so like even 5 p.m. the road was still so hot because of the sun. So somebody said, okay, let's go 6 or 7 p.m. But the devotee said, no, let's do a 5. But you see, 4:35, then there was so many clouds in the sky. So this was amazing how God arranged that it was not hot. Like hot, I mean the sun. Before, like yesterday in the afternoon, was still too hot and too much sunny. I was thinking how to do the parikrama 5 o'clock with this heat, intense hot rays of the sun. But 5 o'clock, immediately, like exactly 5 o'clock, the clouds came in the sky just like now. So it was. Here was also cloudy yesterday. Even 2 drops of rain also. 2 or 4 drops of rain also we got on the way yesterday. So everything according to Lord's desire. I felt so happy. I was afraid, thinking it was not be possible to walk under the intense heat. I was thinking, okay, let's go with shoes and. But 5 o'clock, by the desire of Bhagavan, the Leela of Bhagavan became cloudy. Just like now, like clouds in the sky, so like cloudy. And the devotees with so much enthusiasm, so happiness, dancing, singing, doing Nam Sankirtan. They also give me the mic a little bit. I also did Sankirtan for 30 or 45 minutes. Did you record or not? So what I want to say is that Bhagavan is so merciful. Jagannath is so merciful. How much are the glories of Jagannath? There was a Muslim boy called Saldev. But the mother of this Muslim person, she was Brahmani. Because actually a Muslim kidnapped a Brahmani and made a son in her womb. Muslim boy. His name was Salmik. Salmik Katha. So he used to live with his mother, no? So he used to hear about these kathas of Jagannath and everything. His mother used to tell him. His mother was Brahmani. And also she was a devotee, so she used to tell all these kathas to her son. Then she said, oh my son, in the time of the death, any calamity that you're in any calamity, just take the name of the Thakurji, of the deity, and all problems will be solved, all your problems. So he heard what. So the Muslims, they are against the Hindus. You know, the Muslims are against Hindus. Salve was the name of the boy. So his mother told, any problem comes in your life, remember Jagannath. had so much faith in his mother.
18-20 साल हो गया उनके पिताजी के साथ रण क्षेत्र में, युद्ध क्षेत्र में गए।
So when he was 18 or 20 years old, he went to fight in the battlefield with his father also.
युद्ध क्षेत्र में
And he was fighting,
धराशायी हो गया, माने परास्त।
and he was defeated.
और उस युद्ध क्षेत्र में बड़े-बड़े योद्धा लोग
And many great warriors,
सारे शरीर को क्या करे,
they
युद्ध कर दिया।
like wounded the whole body of Saldev, this boy.
सारे शरीर
His full body was wounded. Wounded.
और उस समय उनके
Was wounded.
नहीं पाला।
He was about to die in the battlefield.
उस समय अपने मां
Then he remembered at this moment, he remembered the words of his mother. Oh, my mother told me that in any calamity that I face in my life, I should at once remember Jagannath and all my problems will be
तो सालवे ने क्या
will be gone. So even though he was a Muslim,
अपने मां हिंदू,
his mother was Hindu,
संघ के,
so he had associated with his mother, like he heard Harikatha from his mother.
में ऐसे एक संस्कार बढ़ गया।
So he had like a samskara, like
अब वो
impression.
युद्ध क्षेत्र में सालवे
So
मरने वाले थे।
he was about to die in the battlefield.
उन्हें विचार कर क्या करें, तीर बिंदु हो गया, सारे शरीर को निकाल, और अपने माँ की याद आई।
So he remembered his
माँ
mother.
की याद करके चल रहे, माँ तो मुझे कहा कि कभी भी ऐसे विपत्ति आपत्ति आ जाए,
Mother said, any problem,
तुम स्मरण करो।
remember Jagannath, that's it.
मैंने कहा कि जगन्नाथ जी स्मरण करना,
So he remembered Jagannath.
जगन्नाथ देव मुझे बचाओ, मुझे रखो।
Jagannath, please protect me, please
ऐसे
save
कहने
me.
के साथ ही साथ वो मुसलमान शरीर के उनके क्या हो गया, दिव्य हो गया, सब खत विक्षत तीर के
Then his body was divine. Like all the wounds he had because pierced by arrows, everything was healed immediately.
रक्त के चिन्ह भी नहीं।
Not even a drop of blood.
सुंदर सबल श्रेष्ठ शरीर प्राप्त।
He got a beautiful body. Like his body was completely
तो
healed.
उस समय युद्ध में उसके पिताजी तो मर गए,
But
भाई भी गए, मर गए।
yeah, he was defeated and his father had also died in the battlefield.
जगन्नाथ जी के स्मरण करके उनके
So he was remembering Jagannath. Just by remembering Jagannath, his body was completely healed and okay. So this inspired him to feel so much faith in Jagannath. So he thought,
साक्षात रूप में
I want
ठाकुर
to
के दर्शन
see
किए।
the deity. I want to have the darshan of Jagannath.
देखो सालवे ने किया कि उसी
So
रण
Salve,
से,
from the battlefield, he came running away unto Jagannath Puri. He ran off
जगन्नाथ जी
to
के
Jagannath
दर्शन
Puri.
करना है उनके मन
He wanted to see Jagannath in Jagannath Puri.
दरवाजा पर आ गए ना,
When he came to the like the lion entrance of the Jagannath temple, the Brahmanas asked him,
मान है,
are you Muslim or a Hindu? What is your jati? Like your
आप
caste?
कहते मैं मुसलमान हूँ,
Your caste?
तो आपके वापिस आना पड़ेगा।
If you say you're a Muslim, you cannot go in. They told him.
सालवे जब वो सरल भी थे,
Salve was a very simple
मैं
boy.
तो मुसलमान
He said, look, I'm a Muslim boy. Yeah. Muslim. Yeah. He told everything.
उनको अधिकार
The Brahmanas didn't allow him to go inside the temple.
है। किंतु देखो सालवे क्या विचार करे, सालवे मैं यहाँ पर बैठ के ठाकुर के दर्शन करना चाहता
Salve said, I want to see the deity from here
हूँ।
then.
देखो ठाकुर जी जगन्नाथ जी
So
मंदिर से बाहर आ गए।
Jagannath came out of the temple.
आप ठाकुर जी देखते हैं जगन्नाथ सिंह मंदिर में, सिंह दरवाजा पर हम जहाँ पर प्रवेश करते
So when we entered the temple from the lion gate,
हैं, आप देखो वहाँ पर बिल्कुल दरवाजा के सामने
he was just there, just near the
जगन्नाथ जी
door.
भी बैठे हैं। उसे कहा जाता है क्या, पतित पावन जगन्नाथ।
So Jagannath came there to give darshan to him. This was nowadays is still there, Patita Pavan Jagannath.
हमें ऐसे बनाना है।
So it's written in the Shiketa
जगन्नाथ जी के मंदिर में
Grantha,
जाने के
Manduk.
पहले किसके दर्शन
Before
करो?
entering the temple of Jagannath, you have to have the darshan of,
पतित
you
पावन
must have the
जगन्नाथ।
darshan of Patit Pavan Jagannath.
क्योंकि स्वयं भगवान जगन्नाथ मूल गर्भ मंदिर से बाहर आकर के
Swayam Bhagavan came from inside the temple
बिल्कुल सिंह दरवाजा पर
and came to the lion gate and sat there
दर्शन।
to give, darshan to Salve, the Muslim young man. It's so beautiful.
क्योंकि मुसलमान बालक थे,
He was a Muslim boy, he couldn't go inside.
प्रवेश अधिकार नहीं थे।
The Brahmanas, Pandas didn't allow him to go
बैठ
inside.
गए और ठाकुर जी भी
Sorry, so
अंदर मंदिर से बाहर आ
he sat down outside the temple and the deity came from inside to give him darshan.
क्योंकि जगन्नाथ जी ने प्रतिज्ञा कर ली,
Jagannath, he had
कोई भी
promised.
व्यक्ति हमारे पास
He said, any person that comes to me eager, certainly I'll give darshan to him.
जगन्नाथ जी के अनेक महिमा, जगन्नाथ की अनेक कथाएं,
Many glories of Jagannath,
इतना सुंदर ही
so beautiful.
जगन्नाथ जो है उसकी कहा जाता है पतित पावन।
So Jagannath is called Patit Pavan Jagannath.
है,
You've seen?
तरफ जो है बाएं तरफ जो है हम जब प्रवेश करते हैं दाहिने तरफ,
So we enter in the
पावन जगन्नाथ,
right side. There's the
और
Patit
बाएं
Pavan
तरफ
Jagannath. In the left side,
विश्वनाथ
Shivji Vishwanath
पर विराज
is also there.
है। जगन्नाथ जी को दर्शन करने के लिए
So to have darshan of Jagannath every day,
काशी से विश्वनाथ जी
Vishwanath ji, Lord Shiva comes from Kashi
दर्शन करते हैं।
to see Jagannath.
जगन्नाथ जी की महिमा कितने वर्णन करें।
How many glories of Jagannath?
जगन्नाथ जी के एक ब्राह्मण था,
What to speak? So there was a Brahmana. Every day he used to come to have darshan of Jagannath at the temple. Always, he would never fail, like having darshan every day.
बहुत साल हो गया।
So many years had passed, like 20 or 25 years.
ठाकुर जी के जगन्नाथ जी
So
के
this Brahmana,
प्रार्थना करने लगे, प्रभु
so he prayed to Jagannath.
बहुत तीर्थ क्षेत्र जाते हैं,
Prabhu,
मैं
people
तो
go to many pilgrimage places, but I haven't gone anywhere until now in my life.
आपके दर्शन बिना मैं कहीं नहीं जाता।
I'll not go anywhere without your
तो
darshan.
मेरा मन में इच्छा हुई,
But I'm having this desire to, at least once,
काशी में जाकर के
I want to go to Kashi
शिव जी के दर्शन करता है।
to have the darshan of Shivji.
काशी में मैं पर गंगा भी स्नान हो जाएगा,
I'll also be able to bathe in the Ganges there,
काशी विशेश्वर की भी दर्शन हो जाएगा।
and also a special darshan in
जगन्नाथ
Kashi.
जी के प्रार्थना की,
So he
प्रभु
prayed to Jagannath, Prabhu,
कृपा करें,
please be merciful.
काशी।
I want to go to Kashi.
भगवान जगन्नाथ जी क्या बोले, अच्छा
So Jagannath said, okay.
जाना चाहते हो, देख
You want to go?
उसको दर्शन करना चाहते हो, वही हमारे पास आते हैं दर्शन।
Actually, you want to have darshan of Shiva. He comes here every day. Shiva himself comes here to see me, actually.
साक्षात बोले कौन?
Who?
बोले, देखो
Then Jagannath said, look, he's sitting near my door.
24 घंटा
24 hours per day, he's there. Who?
काशी विश्वनाथ की
Kashi Vishwanath ki jai, a form of Lord Shiva. You want to go Kashi, but look,
काशी में किसको दर्शन करोगे? शिव जी के तो दर्शन
you
करोगे।
go to Kashi to see Shiva, no? But so, see, Shiva himself, he's coming here. And he's sitting here.
विश्वास नहीं
People don't believe.
है, इसलिए हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
So in Hindi they say,
घर के मुर्गी,
I don't know the proper proverb, but I think Portuguese also we have like, you don't give value to the things you have in your own house, basically. Like he was thinking he wanted to go somewhere else, but actually Shiva himself is coming to Jagannath Puri to see Jagannath. And this person wanted to go to Kashi to see Shiva.
गंगा के तट पर
A very beautiful place on the banks of the Ganges. Have you been
काशी गए,
to Kashi?
बनारस,
Benares.
कितना सुंदर,
It's a very beautiful place, Kashi.
क्या जी? वाराणसी
Varanasi,
जहाँ पर विराज,
where Shivaji is there.
लोग इधर उधर भटकते हैं,
People are going here and there,
इधर चले उधर चले, पैसा खर्च
here and there, spend money.
हैं, क्योंकि पैसा खर्च करना है ना,
Because people like to spend
पैसा
money.
कमाते हैं, वो
Because you get so much money and you want to spend your money with something.
कहीं नहीं,
But you don't find places enough to spend your money. So
उसके पास खर्च करने की जगह नहीं, कमा तो लेते हैं,
so you're just like earning money and you are thinking how to spend it. That's why you want to travel here and there.
हरिद्वार ले चलो,
Oh Maharaj, I'll go to Haridwar, Gaya,
इतना चाल दूंगा,
Kedar,
अरे ये
Badri.
ब्रज में सब कुछ है,
But everything is in Braj already, all these places.
कहाँ जाना क्या?
Why do you want to leave Braj to go anywhere else?
जैसे हम कह रहे हैं ना,
Just like I
आप कह
say,
रहे हो,
or you say,
क्या कर रहे हो? ये महाराज हरिद्वार तक गए ही नहीं, दर्शन तो नहीं किया,
you said, oh Maharaj, I haven't been to Haridwar. I haven't seen Chitrakoot. I haven't gone anywhere. Please take us there.
ब्रजवासी लोग
Vrajavasis also, they're also thinking, oh, we haven't been anywhere. We didn't go to the four Dhammas.
काम नहीं किया तो सब तुम्हारा
Shastra explains, if you haven't gone to the four Dhammas, like these four special places,
यहाँ बोले देखो,
everything like wasted. You must go there.
सारे 4 धाम 5 धाम 10 धाम जो कुछ भी कहे,
But the four Dhammas, 5 Dhammas, 10 Dhammas, everything
हैं,
is
हम ही प्रार्थना
in,
कर, स्तुति कर रहे हैं।
they are praying
मेरा
to
नित्य ब्रजवासी
Vrindavan actually.
उधर जाना चाहते हैं,
And my Vrajavasis, Krishna thinking, they want to go to these places to have bath in the Ganges, to take a bath in the Ganges.
ठाकुर जी बोले अच्छा,
Krishna said, okay.
कन्हैया भी जुक्ति दिखाया,
So Kanaya
देखो भैया
told Jashoda, oh my father, please hear me out.
क्या बोले, उधर जाना बहुत कष्ट है,
It's very difficult to go to the four Dhammas.
इसमें तो ट्रेन बस
Imagine at that time there was no airplane, no bus, no train. You had to go walking into the Himalayas. How many days walking? Then you had that.
ठाकुर जगन्नाथ जी क्या बोले, कृष्ण विचार करने
So
लगे,
Krishna thought,
चरण में
look,
हैं, ये समस्त जो लुटपुट खाते हैं,
all these places, they are coming to my feet actually.
तारका आदि सब सप्त मोक्ष दई का खाते हैं, कितने
The 7 cities that give liberation.
मोक्ष दायिका।
Sapta Moksha Daika. So one of the 7 cities that give liberation, Dwarka is one of them.
और हमारे ब्रजवासी वहां पर जाना चाहते
So Krishna is thinking, they are like falling at my feet, these cities, but my Vrajavas, they want to go to these other places that are so far away.
रास्ता भी बहुत संकीर्ण रास्ता
The road is very steep and very narrow.
है क्या है खतरनाक भी है
It's very dangerous to go there.
थोड़ा सा पैर फिसल
If you slip,
गया तो गए
you fall from the mountain and it's finished for you.
कितने फीट नीचे चले जाओ
Many feet you'll fall down and it's very difficult to come back alive because
फीट नीचे
you go to the middle of the
हो सके
abyss. Like the Ganges is flowing in the valley, like
और
down.
कहाँ जाओगे गंगा के भी किनारे हो सकते वहाँ पेड़ है ना उसके ऊपर अटक जाओ
So maybe go also to the Ganges
देखेंगे ऊपर से किंतु कोई उठा
and maybe you'll be like hanging from the tree
ताप करके वहाँ पर मर
because
गए,
you'll fall down.
किंतु
Then people will be able to see you, but it's like so like an abyss. Like so they cannot even rescue you.
नीचे जाकर के आपको कौन उठाएगा
Who will be able to rescue you? So you have to die there, just like you're alive, like you are alive from the when you fall. You not die immediately, but then you have to wait for your death there because nobody will be able to save you there.
वहाँ पर
Also, it rains
उससे
there.
क्या होता है
Like if you fall in this abyss, like from the mountain.
कितने लोग मर जाते हैं
So many people die there.
बहुत
Sometimes
ज्यादा
there's
लोग जाते हैं,
mudslides.
हर साल ये पहली बार नहीं हर साल कितने लोग
Every
जाते
year, so many people go there,
हैं, और सब
and so many die also.
ये तो मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है कृष्ण ये मन में
So,
विचार
Krishna
करने लगे
is
मेरे
thinking,
चरण में सारे तीर्थ
all the tirthas, they are in my foot,
और
my
मेरे
feet.
श्रीमती राधिका राधी के काय पर स्वरूप
And
कहते हैं कि हम ब्रज में जाएंगे कहाँ जाएंगे
And my Vrajabasis, who are the expansion of like Shrimati Radhika, my internal Shakti and everything, and my 10 associates,
भगवान कहते
they want to go to the 4 Dhammas. So Krishna says, okay, you can bathe in the Ganges here.
स्मरण करने के साथ ही साथ पानी के ऐसे तीव्र धारा
So
भी
Krishna
है,
just
और
remembered,
निशान
just desired, and a lot of water came,
मारते हुए चीरते हुए
and
गंगा देवी
Ganges appear in Vraj.
देखा ना गंगा देवी और उसी गंगा में स्नान करने के लिए जाते हैं नवद्वीप में उधर गंगा में स्नान करने जो फल होता है सैकड़ों गुण फल प्राप्त हो जाता है कहाँ नवद्वीप में जाकर
So,
यदि
the fruits that you get bathing in Navadvipa is 100 times bigger than the fruit of Ganges bathing in the Himalayas.
कृष्ण वही गौरव
Why? Because Navadvipa is the place of Sachinandana Gaura Hari,
प्रेम विलास गंगा में कैसे
who is performing beautiful pastimes in the Ganges, and he's the combined form of Radha and Krishna, but people don't have faith in that.
बोले नहीं जाना चाहते
Ah, no.
इच्छा अनिच्छा होती जाओ
Okay, go there then.
इच्छा हो जाए
If I prohibit it, then there will be a different result, like opposite result. But yeah, what you want to go? Have you been to Haridwar?
छोटाई का में एक विशेष
It's one special place between the 7 cities that give liberation. Haridwar.
जो है कोई
All these places, they're very pure,
तो देखो ब्रज में तो है ही सब
but everything is actually in Braj.
आदिबद्री केदार
Adibadri, Kedar,
आदि केदार आदि
Adibadri. Why do you need to go somewhere else? The 4 Dhammas are in Braj.
महाराज मुझे ले जाओ
Hi Maharaj, take
नहीं
me.
जगह नहीं है
There's no place to die here. You want to die there? Why you want to go?
अरे ये ब्रज में तो देखो
You
ब्रज में
can.
जो 4 धाम वो लोग
These
क्या
4
करते हैं?
Dhammas are in Braj. Actually, the 4 Dhammas, they are doing austerities here in Braj.
मनोरम स्थान
Very beautiful place. We go there also.
ठीक है मनोविदन विनोदन करने के लिए
Okay, just to.
जाना है जाओ
You want to go to another place to distract you, the place okay, if you want to go. I'm not to prohibit. I won't prohibit you, forbid you, but everything is in Braj.
जगन्नाथ जी 8 बजे
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. Arrange for the Arati. Jagannath Katha is so beautiful. The more I speak, I never want to stop speaking this Jagannath Katha.
वो मुसलमान वाला सालबे को भी देखो मंदिर से बाहर अगर उनके दर्शन
So Jagannath is coming out of the temple and giving darshan.
आज तक भी
gave darshan. So until
में
nowadays,
प्रवेश करने के लिए पहले पतित पावन
before entering the temple, also you have to have darshan of Patit Pavan Jagannath. Until nowadays.
विशेश्वर महादेव, मैंने कहा वो ब्राह्मण कहा ना जगन्नाथ जी के प्रभु,
And this Shivaji also, Vishesh Mahadev is also there.
मैं एक बार वाराणसी में दर्शन कर, पहले वाराणसी से संग ठाकुर जी हमारे को क्या बोले,
So I told the story of the Brahmana who wanted to go to Varanasi. Jagannath told him, why you want to go to Varanasi? Shiva is here. Have darshan of him here. I told the story.
गंगा कहाँ पर है,
Wow, where is the Ganges?
चरण कमल में
At the feet of the deity, Thakurji.
एक नाम है क्या,
Another name of the deity is Tirthapad, means all the tirthas come from the feet of Krishna.
समस्त तीर्थ जिनके चरण कमल में है,
All the tirthas are at the lotus feet of Lord.
नर्मदा कावेरी,
Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Kaveri.
भी तीर्थ क्या है,
All the tirthas,
अब ठाकुर जी की
they're all at the feet of the deity.
इतने दूर जाने के तुम्हारे क्या है, एक तो पैसा खर्च होगा, फिर जीवन के क्या, लाइफ के क्या है ये,
What is the benefits of going so far? First of all, you're spending money. Second of all, you're taking a risk, life risk. Actually, some years ago, even some our devotees, they died in these places
बारिश भी हुई
because it rained so much. There was a landslide. There was a landslide. So many people died in that moment.
बाहर से जब ये मिट्टी के जब वो आता है,
When you know landslide,
कहाँ पर
how can you be saved? Very
ऊपर होते हुए
the landslide is taking everything. So you
खोलना पड़ता नहीं,
don't even need to bury you. You get samadhi very quickly.
क्या कहते हैं, गड्ढा खोद,
You know, because generally somebody died, they have to bury the person, like dig a cave. But the mudslide, in 2-4 seconds,
पूरा पैर से आप दौड़ नहीं पाओ, कहाँ जाओ,
you cannot even move because you're completely like under the earth. The soil falls on you. You cannot move.
और ऐसे गिर, आप देख रहे हो, देखते देखते आपके कमर से लेकर के
So from your waist
गला तक
until your neck, or maybe even your nose, then you're completely under. So tehad, completely under the
कहाँ दौड़ोगे बताओ,
soil, the earth. You cannot move even. So
मैंने कहा कि आप इतने ऊंची स्थान पे
So I also thought it's a very high place, like an altitude. If you sleep like a trip or sleep going up in the mountains,
आराम से चलो,
you can also fall and die. But in Braja, it's so easy. You can go walking, no problem. Everything's okay. Nowadays, there are also many arrangements in Vraj to go to the places.
कहने की भगवान ने
So Bhagavan is showing this. Everything is in Braj already.
देखो तो ये सब छोड़ तो कहीं नहीं जाऊं,
So
ये सब छोड़ तो
Vraj is my life, and so why to go out of Vraj?
वृंदावन
Like Bhaktivinoda Thakur said.
सब तीर्थ हैं,
All the tirthas are here.
कहाँ जाने की क्या जरूरत,
Why to go in other place?
जाना चाहते हो बताओ तो पहले, पैसा ज्यादा हो गया, खर्चा करो,
Because if you have too much money, you want to spend money. That's it, no? You just want to spend
तो
money.
नहीं है खर्चा करना, चलो हम ये नहीं करते, जाने की माना नहीं करते,
Okay, I'm not prohibiting to go. If you want to go, okay. I mean, you can go also. But this is true.
इसलिए जगन्नाथ जी कितने करुणा
So Jagannath is so merciful.
है, रथ यात्रा की तात्पर्य यही है,
This is the meaning of the Ratha Yatra.
तीर्थ जनों के कृपा करने की,
To give mercy to the fallen living entities.
जगन्नाथ देव
Jagannath Dev
ये रथ यात्रा जो है जो वस्तु
is doing the Ratha Yatra.
यहाँ तो भी वर्णन है, जगन्नाथ जी रथ में बैठे हुए इसको दर्शन जो करते
If you
हैं,
see,
जगन्नाथ
if you have darshan of Jagannatha in the chariot, sitting on the chariots, if you have this darshan, it will be delivered.
है, रस्सी को खींचे वो भी,
If you pull the rope, you will be delivered.
इसलिए आज देखो लाखों करोड़ों करोड़ लोग जुटे हैं।
So today,
इस समय कोरोना होने के नाते
thousands of people, they got together,
हैं,
like in the Ratha Yatra. But I think because of coronavirus, they had some strong restrictions.
चलो वहीं पर
Like in the Ratha Yatra, not in Jagannath Puri. But anyway, you can hear the Harikatha.
दर्शन नहीं हो,
If you don't have the
के तरह
darshan
भगवान जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन हो जाए,
in a gross way, you can have the darshan like by hearing the katha of the Ratha Yatra.
ऐसा भी बच जाएगा,
It's good, no? You're saving money, saving time,
जगन्नाथ जी के भी
and also
दर्शन हो
you're having the darshan of Jagannath.
जाएगी नहीं,
So it's good to hear the Harikatha or not?
जगन्नाथ जी के, बोलो जगन्नाथ देव की, जगन्नाथ स्वामी नैन पथगामी भवतु, देखो हमारी इसी कथा को जो है चैतन्य महाप्रभु का इसी कथा की जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने क्या की
So this katha, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
एक कर दिया, क्या बोले
he just add some small
रेनोवेटेड कर दिया,
renovation. He just did a small renovation,
मॉडिफाई कर दिया
modified a little bit.
है। और साल तो जाते हैं जगन्नाथ मंदिर से गुंडीचा मंदिर जाते हैं।
Every year Jagannatha used to come already from Nilachal to Sundarachal temple.
बदल दिया।
Mahaprabhu just changed the bhav a little bit,
वही तो रथ
nothing else.
यात्रा है।
It's the same Ratha
महाप्रभु
Yatra.
के भाव क्या है
What is the bhav of Mahaprabhu?
ये ऐश्वर्य भूमि से माधुर्य
Krishna is coming from Ashwarya Bhumi to Madhurya Bhumi.
द्वारका से
From means Dwarka, the place of opulence, going to Vrindavan, the place of sweetness. And
रथ में बैठ करके जा रहे हैं जगन्नाथ।
he sat in the chariot and he was going.
क्या करें
And the gopis were pulling him to Vrindavan.
चोरी गोपीन मनोरथे मन मथे नाम धरे मदन मोहन यही तो रथ यात्रा की
This is the speciality of the Ratha Yatra, special meaning of the Ratha Yatra.
गोपियों की मन रूपी रथ में कृष्ण आरोहण किया ये चोरी गोपीन मनोरथे मन मथे
So gopis are taking Krishna to Vrindavan in the
मथन करने वाले
chariots of their
हम देख भी परास्त कर
minds. Krishna is so beautiful, he defeats the beauty of the Cupid.
मदन मोहन मन
This Krishna Madana Mohan, so beautiful.
आज देखो
Today, look
इस प्रकार रथ में बैठ करके
how he's sitting on the chariot,
जा रहे हैं वृंदावन
going to Vrindavan,
माधुर्य
the place of sweetness.
जो जैसे सभी तो रथ तो सभी रस्सी सभी तो खींचते
All the devotees are pulling the rope. Gurudev used to say,
कौन खींच
but who is actually pulling the rope of Jagannath is the gopis. They are actually pulling. If you don't have gopi bhav,
वास्तव रूप में
you cannot actually
जगन्नाथ जी
pull
के
that
रथ
chariot of Jagannath. You cannot take him.
एकमात्र गोपियों के अधिकार
Only the gopis, they have this qualification.
है सारी सैकड़ों गोपियां क्या करती
So there's 100 billion
हैं? रथ में
gopis.
बैठा करके
They put Krishna sitting on the chariot and they brought him to Vrindavan.
ये रस्सी के बांध कर जगन्नाथ जी को रस्सी क्या है
So what is this rope?
ये प्रेमा
The love of the
प्रेम
gopis.
भक्ति भी नहीं है
The love of the gopi is not ordinary. Sneha, man, pranay, rag, anurag.
भाव
Rag, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adiruda.
ही
Like Mahabhav of Srimati Radhika. She is taking this chariot of Jagannath back to Vrindavan. This is the speciality of the Ratha Yatra.
ये कृष्ण कुरुक्षेत्र से
Krishna
वृंदावन जा रहे हैं।
is going from
वहां पर यही विचार
Kurukshetra to Vrindavan.
उन्होंने विनय करके राधा भाव में विवाही को
So Mahaprabhu was absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika, dancing, singing, praying. With so much humility.
ओ ब्रह्मण्य हिताय च जगदीताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः जय दी देवो देवकी जनवादो
These were the prayers Mahaprabhu did in front of Jagannath.
जय दी देवो देवकी नंदन देवकी नंदन जय दी सुमं सबदी जय दी मेघ श्यामल कमलंगो जय दी प्रतिभारो नास मुकुंद चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी के सामने हाथ जोड़ करके
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was praying in front of Jagannath so humbly.
जय दी जन निवासो देवकी जन्मवाद यदुवर परिशासो धर्मम सिरजर विजयनाग्न सुस्मित श्री मुखेन ब्रज प्रभुनितानां वर्धयेन कामदेवम
So beautiful these prayers. All Bhagavata is here.
इस श्लोक की यदि व्याख्या हो ना
The explanation of this verse, actually the meaning of all the Srimad Bhagavata is inside here.
जय हो समस्त
Jai Ho.
जीवों की हृदय में जो परमात्मा
Paramatma which is in the hearts of all the living entities.
देवकी जन्मवाद और उन्होंने की क्या जन्मवाद देवकी गर्भ से जन्म
They say, the rumor says that he was born from the womb of Devaki.
नहीं है
This is not true.
अथवा कहते हैं आंशिक मात्र कहा जाए
Or it was only partially, Amshik.
भागवत में
You can compromise.
कोई बात कहते
Because in the Bhagavata, Shukadeva Goswami told in verses,
बलदेव
Baladeva Sahen.
अंशेन अवतीर्णो अंशेन बलदेव सहेन है ये कृष्ण
he said that Krishna,
में जो जन्म आदि कथा सुना जाता है
we hear that Krishna was born in Mathura,
है
Shastra explains,
है, बोले बोले आंशिक रूप में,
This was partially only with Baladeva, not completely.
पूर्णतम रूप में कृष्ण कहाँ प्रकट हुए?
Completely Krishna appeared only where? In Vrindavan, in Gokul.
इसलिए जयति जनो निवासो देवकी जन्मवादो, देवकी के पुत्र
Jayati Jananivaso, this verse explains. It's only a rumor that Krishna was born from the womb of Devaki.
परिषद, उनके परिषद कौन है? जो लोग
His family, the Jadavas.
भगवान विचित्र लीला अद्भुत प्रकार,
Krishna has many pastimes.
उनके परिषद कौन है?
So who are his family members? The Jadavas.
से सोई दूर भी अधर्मन, समस्त दुष्ट लोगों के जो है दमन करने के लिए परित्राणम साधना बिना सायच दुष्कृतम धर्म संस्थापनार्थ संभवामि, दुष्टों के वध करने के लिए, पापियों की वध करने के लिए,
So to kill,
जनों के पालन करने के लिए,
so he kills the bad, the evils, and protects the saints. Bhagavan.
सुस्मित श्री मुखेन, सुस्मित श्री मुखेन,
Susmita Srimukhena.
ठाकुर जी
Oh,
अपने सुंदर मंद मुस्कान के द्वारा
deity, with his beautiful smile, he's inspired the transcendental lust.
सबको क्या करते हैं? आकर्षित करते
And attracting everyone
हैं मुस्कान।
with his
यहाँ कोई चलने वाले और
smiling
नहीं
face.
चलने, moving and non-moving।
Even the moving and non-moving living entities, Bhagavan is attracting everyone.
कल्पादम तो वेणु गोद विजय ध्रुवा हिरण्य पुलकानो विभ्रमम।
Bhagavata explains.
कृष्ण के जो चार जो मधुरिमा जो यूनिक काल,
So these four
माधुर्य, लीला माधुर्य, प्रेम माधुर्य,
unparalleled sweetness that Krishna has.
ब्रजपुर वरितानां वर्धन कामदेवम,
Lamadura, Vanamadura, etc.
ब्रज में ब्रजपुर वरितानां, ब्रज में और पूरा माने
Brajapura means
तारकापुरी, सभी जितने भी स्त्रियां
Dwarakapuri.
सभी के कृष्ण क्या करते
I mean, all the gopis,
अपने
all women, women, they are attracted by Krishna.
दिव्य काम की भी वर्धनम,
And Krishna increased their transcendental lust. Do you understand?
एक होती है परिपूर्ण
So even Krishna is only one, he has three forms. Purna, Purnatara, and Purnatama. Complete, more complete, and most complete. In Dwarka he's complete, in Mathura more complete, and in Vrindavan he's most complete.
कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान के विषय ब्रजपुर, इसलिए कहते हैं ब्रज और पुर अथवा ब्रजपुर,
So Vraja and Pura and Vrajapura. In one word is like Vrajapura,
ब्रजपुर कहा जाता है, और
Brajapur,
ब्रज अलग ले लो और पुर
and you can say Vraja separately from Pura.
हो जाता है,
Vraja means Vrindavan, Pur means
तारकापुरी।
Dwarakapuri.
सभी के क्या करते हैं भगवान?
So Krishna is,
अपने सुंदर
with his beauty,
मंद मुस्कान
his
आदि के
smiling
द्वारा
face, he's attracting
हृदय में
everyone
अपरागित दिव्य काम के भी
and inspiring the transcendental lust,
हैं,
increasing this lust in the hearts of all.
युक्त
May this Krishna Chandra be victorious. So Gurudeva was just explaining this verse.
नाहं वर्णे च न च गृहपतिर्नो वनस्तु जतिर्वा किंतु प्रद्योतमित्रं परमानंद पूर्णमिताब्दे गोपीर भुक्तुर पद कमलोर दासानु
These verses that Mahaprabhu prayed to Jagannath.
कितने सुंदर स्तुति आदि करते
Mahaprabhu made so many beautiful prayers.
ये तो बड़ी पूर्णरूपी करिल प्रणाम दुराते भक्तगान वंदे भगवान उद्दंड नित्य प्रभुर परिहंकार चक्रभूमि भ्रमे जयचे अलात आकार। सब स्तुति आदि के बाद महाप्रभु
After performing many stavastutis, Mahaprabhu started dancing. So beautiful.
अंतर्हित भाव और बहिर्भाव,
So the internal mood of Mahaprabhu and his external mood.
बहिर्भाव क्या नाम संकीर्तन,
His Bahir Bhav, externally he was doing Nama Sankirtan in front of Jagannath. Just like everybody singing, and
आंसू की धारा प्रवाहित,
he was crying also.
गर्मी के समय
It was summertime.
जगन्नाथ जी के रथ है ना, गर्मी के समय महाप्रभु जब रोते हैं ना, आंखों के आंसू
Mahaprabhu used to cry so much,
बहुत दूर तक
and these tears of Mahaprabhu would
क्या कर देते
wet everybody. Mahaprabhu would like bathe everyone
हैं, ये अपराकित है कि नहीं है बताओ,
from his tears. So this is transcendental, so opulent. How many tears come in your
4 मिनट
eyes?
ऐसे वो
2-4 minutes you're like,
खत्म हो जाए।
then your tears
देखो चैतन्य
finish.
महाप्रभु
But Mahaprabhu,
जब
they're
उधर
finished.
में निकला
But when Mahaprabhu was dancing so much in the time of Ratat, absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika,
भाव को बिना भाव
feeling separation from
उस
Krishna,
समय महाप्रभु के आंखों के
so
आंसू जो है
the tears of Mahaprabhu they spread everywhere, like they would like sprinkle everywhere, and they would wet everyone.
आंसू के द्वारा है, वर्णन है चैतन्य
They would make everyone wet from the tears, like they would soak everybody.
इसी प्रकार महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ के सामने नृत्य आदि करते हैं।
So Mahaprabhu was dancing in front of Jagannath.
क्या भाव
Mahaprabhu's mood was only one. Which mood?
साक्षात
You're not the deity, you are directly Vrajendra Nandan.
बस केवल जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन होगा।
Only having the darshan of Jagannath. Oh, you're not Jagannath, you're Vrajendra Nandana Shema Sundara with 2 arms playing the flute. Oh, so nice.
अनेक दिनों के बाद अपने प्राण के अंत के साथ
After many days, he was meeting,
विप्रलम्ब के
like
बाद
when you meet your beloved after long separation,
जो आनंद होता है
the happiness that the beloved feels,
महाप्रभु
the same mood Mahaprabhu was feeling.
से तो परनाथ पाइनु जहां लगी मदन तहने जुड़ी गई सर्व दामोदर इसको बार-बार
So Rupa Damodar was telling this verse again and again.
महाप्रभु
Say Parananata Painu. Mahaprabhu was hearing this verse and dancing again and again.
जहां लगी मदन तहने सही धुआ स्वरूप गाय बार-बार सर्व दामोदर
So
बार-बार
Rupa Damodar again and again he was reciting this verse. Nobody understood the meaning and why was he doing
परनाथ
that.
पाइनु जहां लगी मदने तहने जुड़ी गई फिर महाप्रभु साहित्य दर्पण के श्लोक
And Mahaprabhu was reciting the verse of the Sahita Darpan
प्राकृत नायक नहीं के भाव
about a mundane poet, like the mood of like a normal woman in this world.
व्यापक विधो वो भी क्या वो लड़की कर रही है जो विवाह के पहले
The girl was saying in the verse,
उसके साथ
this
मेरा
poem.
प्रेम हो गया था कब
So before I got married, when I was still a virgin and
मैं कुंवारी थी
I used to date already
साथ मेरा क्या हो गया
my husband, but we used to have a like date, but
हमारी
secretly.
अवस्था में उनके साथ मैं प्रेम हो गया
I fell in love with him before the marriage. In Kali Yuga, this is normal, but it's not proper.
एक स्त्री एक पुरुष के प्रति कब हो जाता है
When a woman,
उनकी पुरुषत्व आ जाता है और उनकी स्त्री धर्म आ जाता है शास्त्र में वर्णन किंतु यहाँ पर वर्णन है जो कौमार हर
so Shastras explained, when I was a virgin,
कामदेव भी उसको नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं इसे कहता है कुमार कु माने कुत्सित मार माने कामदेव के द्वारा वो क्या हो जाता है माने नेग्लेक्टेड हो जाता
Kumara means someone who is neglected by Kamadeva.
है इसे कुमार शब्द की अर्थ
So this is the meaning of the word
कुमारी शब्द
Kumara, Kumari.
कुमार मार माने कामदेव
Kumara means Kamadeva.
कामदेव के द्वारा वो नेग्लेक्टेड हो जाता है
So somebody who is neglected by Kamadeva.
उसके किंतु देखो आश्चर्य की बात है
But something amazing,
और अभी जो मेरा जो पति जो है
my husband now,
मैं कुमारी थी
when I was still Kumari,
साथ मेरा प्रेम करती हो
I fell in love with him.
और धीरे धीरे वो प्रेम क्या हो गया धीरे धीरे बढ़ना शुरू कर दिया
And slowly our love began to increase, started increasing. 1, 2 years, 5 years.
और जब बढ़ना शुरू हो गया हम दोनों क्या करते
Then
थे घर से निकाल करके एकांत
We
घर में
came-
जब सो जाते हैं
everybody used to fall asleep. Then, like 9 p.m., everybody goes to sleep.
9 बजे सब खा पी के सो जाते हैं रात में क्या दरवाजा खोल करके वो अपने घर में आ जाते थे या मैं अपने घर में आ जाता
So I used to come from my house, he used to come from his house. Then we used to sit on the banks of the river Reva.
बैठ जाते थे हैं? सुंदर मनोरम परिवेश भी आ गया
And then it was a beautiful environment.
नदी के तट
Nice breeze coming and
हैं? ठंडी भी नहीं गर्म भी नहीं इतना सुंदर रेवा रेवा नदी के तट पर बैठे
we sat on the beautiful banks of the river Reva.
महीने
It was the month Chaita.
भी नहीं है गर्मी
It's not cold, not hot.
समाप्त हो गया और गर्मी थोड़ी सी हुई इतने सुंदर मनोरम परिवेश
So the environment was so
रात्रि काल हम
nice.
दोनों बैठे
So during the night we used to meet.
नदी के तट पर बैठते हो सकता है ठंडी ठंडी हवा है,
But
इसलिए दोनों क्या करते थे,
because we were sitting on the bank of the river, maybe it would be a little bit cold.
समझ में आ रहा है?
So that's why we were just
हम
under
दोनों
one
बैठते थे,
blanket.
किसी को पता ना चले,
Nobody knew we were there.
इसलिए एक ही चादर,
We were like wrapped under
जो
the
है,
same
ऊपर से,
blanket, only one blanket.
हाँ? और निकट में भी कहाँ पर बैठने भी स्थान कहाँ पर,
And where were we sitting?
दूर से ना देख ना पाए।
So that nobody could see us from far. So we were hiding under the Veta
वेद
Sikunja.
के जो है,
It's like a
जो
bamboo.
वन जिसको कहा जाता
It's like a kunja made of
है,
bamboo.
समझते हो? लंबी लंबी बांस जैसी,
Veta is like a
ऐसे वो
long bamboo, but it's like a bamboo, but like thinner and it's a little bit different. But this kind of plant looks like, and they also bend.
एक
So
दूसरे से आलिंगन करके बस
we're embracing each
रात
other,
भर हम बातचीत करते रहे,
speaking whole night.
जितने भी रात्रि होते रहे, निश्चल हो जाता, केवल नदी के जो है वो लहरियां जो है केवल कल 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 कल
So the
करके मानो
the waves of the river were making the sound kal 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 kal.
सोचा अंदर है, और उसमें क्या है, ज्योत्सना रात्रि भी है,
It was night time and rays of the moon.
और नदी के किनारे में ऐसे बालू भी ऐसे सुंदर है, जैसे सिल्वर जैसे लगते हैं,
And the sand was like silver because of the moonlight,
बाली कैसे सिल्वर जैसे झिलमिल कर रहा था,
glowing.
चंद्र के किरण उस पर जब पड़ते हैं कितने सुंदर सुशोभन, वो भी और भी क्या है सुंदर, निकट में कोई माधवी मालती के बगीचा है,
And also there were so many malatis and madhavi, so many flowers,
भीनी भीनी ठंडी हवा,
nice breeze, and
सुंदर सुगंध आने लगी, हैं? हृदय को जुड़ा,
so much fragrance also.
आहा,
The heart was so happy.
देखो इतने सुंदर दिव्य अलौकिक,
Beautiful transcendental place.
हम लोग इतने पर सारी रात हम लोग इधर बैठे 9 बजे से
So
लेकर
from
के
9 p.m. until
4 बजे तक
4 a.m.
बैठ जाते,
Brahm Muhurta, we were
कितने घंटा हो
discussing
गया, 7 घंटे
for 7 hours.
दोनों बैठे रहे बस, और क्या करते थे,
And what we used to do?
लीला विधु,
Discuss Surat Katha.
भगवान की कथा चर्चा नहीं,
We are not discussing Bhagavad Katha,
नॉनसेंस कथा,
only stupid nonsense Katha,
कारण सुरत कथा लीला विधु,
like romance Katha. Surat Katha means
सांसारिक विषय
material things.
है, नॉनसेंस कथा जो
Stupid nonsense Katha,
है, सेक्सुअल कथा, सीधी बात,
sexual Katha, stupid nonsense Katha,
इसी काम को वर्धन करने,
to increase our lust.
है? और उस समय लिए 7 घंटे जो हमें 9 बजे से लेकर 4 बजे तक बैठे, 7 घंटे बैठे, आज लगते था 7 सेकंड जैसे लगते,
So but the 7 hours looked like 7
और
seconds.
उसके कितना
It
आनंद,
felt like 7 seconds. I felt so much bliss,
और देखो
happiness.
फिर 4 बजे कहते हैं वो अपने घर में चले जाते, मैं अपने घर में जाकर सो जाता,
So then we used to go back to our houses and then fall asleep. Then we would wait
दोनों मिलते,
eagerness for
क्रम से
one more
क्या हो गया?
day.
उनके साथ मेरा विवाह हो गया,
So before I was like not married, there was a girl,
तो हो गया,
like a young girl, and
अभी हम लोग
we were
एक
meeting like
हैं?
hiddenly. Now we got married, everything,
तो आनंद,
but I'm not happy with him now as I was before when I was not yet married with him.
हैं? इसलिए ऐसे लगते हैं वही हम पीछे चले जाए, माने पीछे चले जाए मतलब क्या है, पहले वाले समय का हम प्रतीक्षा करने लगे, क्योंकि समय तो अतीत हो गया है, टाइम एंड टाइड,
Time and tide, wait for none.
कहाँ गए आप बताओ, इसलिए वो कह रही वो समय इतने आनंद था,
At that time we were so happy.
और इसी कथा को महाप्रभु क्या कर हाथ
So Mahaprabhu is raising his arms, dancing,
बार बार पढ़,
and again telling this verse.
सर्वदामोदर इसको भाव जानते थे, दूसरी कोई भाव नहीं जानता था, आप देखो हैं? और सर्वदामोदर
And
और भी करे,
Sarvadamadar
बोलो बोलो
is also saying, tell more, more.
सिर घूमने लगे, बोले ये क्या,
Everybody was like head spinning, like
ज्वेल्स ऑफ द सन,
Mahaprabhu is the best of all the sannyasis.
चूड़ामणि चैतन्य महाप्रभु जीवन में कभी स्त्री शब्द भी सुनना नहीं,
He doesn't hear anything about women, nothing.
आज आज महाप्रभु वही शायद तो वो भी प्राकृतिक कवि की कथा है,
Now Mahaprabhu is discussing this shloka from this Mundan poet, Sahita Darpan.
हैं? क्या ये तो जो कौमार हो रहा यही श्लोक तो बार बार दूसरी श्लोक नहीं है इसी के आदि को। और सबके जितने भी लोग थे महाप्रभु के जितने गण थे सब सिर घूमने लगे।
All the associates Mahaprabhu, they couldn't understand. Their heads were spinning. Why Mahaprabhu is saying this?
नासी होकर के कभी ऐसे तो विषय वार्ता करना नहीं चाहिए।
A sannyasi should never speak about these things. Why Mahaprabhu is saying this?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
Nobody was able to understand.
केवल महाप्रभु के भाव कौन जानते थे?
Who know the bhav of Mahaprabhu?
एक तो स्वरूप दामोदर और भाग्यक्रम से उस समय
Swarupa Damodar, and that year
रूप
Rupa Goswami was also there.
गोस्वामी पाद महाप्रभु के भाव को जान लिया।
He knew the mood of Mahaprabhu.
के भाव को जान लिया।
Just like
रूप गोस्वामी
Swarupa Damodar knew his mood, also Rupa Goswami also knew it.
समाप्त हो गया।
So after the Ratha Yatra, everybody came back to their houses.
स्वरूप दामोदर केवल रूप गोस्वामी पाद ने की।
Then during the
उसी
night,
श्लोक के जो भाव के अनुसार
in the same type of mood, Rupa Goswami wrote a parallel verse.
क्षेत्र मिली तो इस श्लोक के लिए
Priya Swam
लिख करके
Sachari Kuriketa Nita.
ठाकुर के
He wrote it
के ऊपर
and he put it under the roof of the hut of Haridas Thakur.
और प्रातः काल के बाद चले गए रूप गोस्वामी पाद चले गए समुद्र स्नान के लिए। और महाप्रभु नित्य नैमित्त जैसे नियम के अनुसार
So Mahaprabhu every day
दर्शन के उपरांत
he used to come to see Haridas Thakur after seeing Jagannath. He used to
स्थान है
come to see the Bakul, give darshan to Haridas Thakur.
दर्शक जहाँ पर रहते हैं।
But that time Rupa Goswami had taken, he had gone to the ocean to take a bath.
रूप गोस्वामी का हैंड राइटिंग कितने सुंदर है।
So Mahaprabhu saw the beautiful handwriting of Rupa Goswami. He saw.
उसी समय रूप गोस्वामी का स्नान करके महाप्रभु के नाम
Then Rupa Goswami he performed.
महाप्रभु श्लोक के पढ़
He did obeisances
प्रियो सो अयं
and
सहजनी
he saw this verse.
मिली तो अने राधा जी कुरुक्षेत्र
Rupa
में
Goswami
कृष्ण के साथ जब मिले
did pranam to
और अपने भाव
Mahaprabhu.
को सखियों के निकट
And this verse that Rupa Goswami wrote was saying, Priya Swayam,
मैं ही वही कृष्ण
I am the same Radha, Shrimati Radhika and her friends.
प्राण प्रियतम कृष्ण वही।
And he is my same Govinda. We are not different, we are same.
और दोनों हम एक साथ मिली जुली
We are meeting together. We are in Kurukshetra.
किंतु हमारे मन अच्छा नहीं लगा।
But our mind is not pleased. We are not
आनंद नहीं
happy.
आ रहे
We are not feeling happiness.
हैं। क्यों यहाँ पर कृष्ण के वेश
Why?
का राजवेश राज मुकुट राज दंड आदि घोड़े
Krishna has so many elephants, so many associates.
से लेकर बड़े बड़े राजा लोग
Pandavas, great kings, saluting him
चलते जा रहे हैं दिन रात भोर लगे
day and night.
हैं घर 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 हैं हाथी घोड़े के चिंगार चिंगार कहते हैं
You know the sounds of
हाथी के शब्द क्या कहते हैं
elephants, horses,
घोड़े घा
like the horse making that sound of the horse, the elephant also making his sound. So many dust, people going, coming, going.
कृष्ण के राज वेश है राज मुकुट नाम
Krishna is in the like a royal form.
मोर मुकुट है नाम मयूर पंखा है
He doesn't have peacock feather
नाम
here.
हाथ में बंसी है
He doesn't take the flute in his hand. So
मैं तो
Shrimati
वही
Radhika is
कृष्ण
saying,
मैं तो ही राधा
yes, he's the same Krishna, I'm the same Radha.
मोर मुकुट नहीं है और हाथ में बंसी
But he's not using the flute, he doesn't have peacock feather on his head. So I'm not happy here, Shrimati Radhika said.
ये कहते हैं ये कृष्ण कृपा करके आप
Krishna, be merciful.
वृंदावन चले
Go to Vrindavan.
रथ यात्रा की यही दशा
So this is in
तो उस
Ratha Yatra.
एक सौकी और पर
Two things, Sakya and Parakya.
पति पत्नी संबंध है
So in Dwarka is Sakya, relationship between husband and wife. And Vrindavan,
तात्पर्य क्या है क्यों महाप्रभु वो जो कोजा को महाराज श्लोक के लेकर के बार-बार क्यों
Paramore mood. So why Mahaprabhu is again and again repeating that verse?
अपेक्षा परक्यत्त के प्रेम माधुर्य
Because actually Parakya is higher than Swakya.
है प्राकृतिक लोगों को तो समझ में नहीं आई
Normal people won't be able to understand.
प्राकृतिक कवि गोस्वामी पाद
But the transcendental poet,
सुंदर रूप में बने
Rupa Goswami,
आज
described it so well.
यदि रूप गोस्वामी पाद नहीं होते
If Rupa Goswami
किसको
hadn't,
सत्या परक्यत्त की लक्षण
hadn't come to this world, people wouldn't be able to understand Swakya and Parakya.
परक्यत्त भाव जड़ जगत
It's
में
transcendental.
परक्यत्त भाव क्या है ये
Parakya Bhav. Because actually in this world, Parakya Bhav takes you to hell.
राधा गोविंद की
But in the
परक्यत्त भाव गोपी के साथ
spiritual world, the Parakya Bhav of Krishna and gopis,
है उपाध्याय का उपाध्याय समझते उत्कर्ष युक्त कार्य
it's very
उसमें पाप बहुत पाप
amazing.
विकार नहीं,
and it's not a sinful activity at
प्रेम
all.
की ये पराकाष्ठा दिखाई,
It's the topmost limit of prem.
संपाद श्लोक को बता रहे हैं, कितने सुंदर गोविंद की वर्णन किया। महाप्रभु कहने रूप, महाप्रभु कहने तुम ऐसे कैसे जान लिया?
Mahaprabhu asked Rupa, how did you know my mood?
आपके कृपा बिना ऐसे श्लोक कोई लिख नहीं सकता।
Nobody could write this verse.
महाप्रभु के
So
कृपा
Rupa Damodar said, without your mercy, oh Mahaprabhu, nobody would be able to write this.
महाप्रभु संग स्वीकार किया। यहाँ जब रूप मुझे प्रयाग में मिले थे,
Then Mahaprabhu said yes.
अरे सब रूप के जुगपत तो जान के सबने अपने हृदय दान दिए।
Yes, I saw, when I saw Rup in Prayag, I saw he was qualified and I gave everything to him.
एको भी चिरण चिरकाल तो घूमते रहे, किंतु जब तक भगवान की कृपा नहीं हो,
So we can be wandering again and again in this world. But if you don't have his mercy, we'll never be able to understand him. This is the main meaning of the Ratha Yatra. How Mahaprabhu was absorbed in Gopi Bhav and Radha Bhav dancing. This is the meaning of Ratha Yatra. So we have to also be absorbed in this mood of Mahaprabhu. How Mahaprabhu was manifesting this mood of Vrindavan in front of Jagannath. The mood that Krishna was being taken from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Okay, do Arati. Nice, huh? I'll come back to the beginning of the video just to take the first 5 minutes. Oh my god, they were broadcasting English from there also. Oh, I'm sorry, I did repeat it. I'm sorry, I didn't know. Hi.
और वृंदावन में
So we are here gathered in this very pure occasion. Today is the Ratha Yatra of Jagannatha Bhagavan, who is the Supreme Lord Krishna, the Supreme Controller of all the universes, Creator of everything. He's in Jagannath Puri and he appears as Jagannath. For benefit of all the jivas. He sits on the chariot. He goes from Nilachal to Sundarachal. So you heard also. Jagannath performs so many beautiful pastimes in Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Puri is also called Purusham Kshetra, Shri Kshetra, Sankha Kshetra. Many names. Jagannath Puri has many names. Jagannath Puri is one of the 7 cities that give liberation. If the jivas go to Jagannath Puri, the jivas attain liberation and go to Vaikuntha Dham. They attain Vaikuntha. So if you touch even only the dust of Jagannath Puri, only the dust, you'll attain liberation, you go to Vaikuntha. Even a donkey, if he gives up the body in Jagannath Puri, he'll attain the abode of Lord. There are many glories of Jagannath, transcendental glories. Krishna is only one, but he manifests many forms. And he performs many pastimes, giving pleasure to the devotees. He was already translating. I'll just stop here. Jai Gurudev.